Hello everybody. Previously we have seen how to locate some of the irrational numbers square root 2, square root 3 etc. on the number line. Presently we will see how to locate square root 8 and square root 10 on the number line. In the first part we will see how to locate square root 8 on the number line. As explained in the previous videos, we will see whether we can represent the integer under the square root sign as sum of two perfect squares. Here the integer under square root sign is 8. Can we write 8 as sum of two perfect squares? 8 is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 2 square plus 2 square. That means 8 can be represented as sum of two perfect squares, right? This can be rewritten as square root 8 whole square is equal to 2 square plus 2 square. This can be related to the sides of a right angled triangle, wherein hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Here you can see the right angled triangle OAB, where the base OA is 2 unit length and perpendicular AB is 2 unit length. In that case, the hypotenuse OB is equal to square root 8 units. Now let us see how we can use this knowledge for locating square root 8 on the number line. Let us start with drawing a number line. On the number line, positive integers are marked on the right side of 0 and negative integers are marked on the left side of 0. Next, mark point O at 0 and point A at 2. Draw the line segment OA joining points O and A. Length of line segment OA will be 2 units. Draw a line segment AB of length 2 units perpendicular to OA. AB is perpendicular to OA. Join the points O and B to form the right angled triangle OAB. As we have already seen, since the base OA is 2 units and perpendicular AB is 2 units, the hypotenuse OB will be square root 8 units. Next, what we have to do? We know that we need to draw a arc. The center of the arc must be O and radius must be OB. We draw an arc with center at O and radius OB. The arc is drawn in the clockwise direction, intersecting the number line at point C. Now, length of OC will be equal to length OB, as OC and OB are the radii of the same arc. So, OC is equal to OB is equal to square root 8. Since O is at 0, C will be at square root 8 units. So, this completes the marking of square root 8 on the number line. Now let us see how to locate square root 10 on the number line. Now that we have learned how to locate square root 8 on the number line, locating square root 10 is very easy. We can write 10 as sum of two perfect squares. 10 is equal to 9 plus 1 is equal to 3 square plus 1 square. That is, square root 10 whole square is equal to 3 square plus 1 square. This can be related to the sides of a right angled triangle. Here you can see the right angled triangle OPQ. Base OP is 3 units and perpendicular PQ is 1 unit. In that case, the hypotenuse OQ is equal to square root 10 units. So, we will make use of this for locating square root 10 on the number line. As usual, we start with drawing the number line. On the number line, we have marked point O at 0 and point P at 3. Joining O and P, we have the line segment OP of length 3 units. Next, we draw a line segment PQ of length 1 unit perpendicular to OP. Let us join points O and Q to form the right angle triangle OPQ. As the base OP is 3 units length and perpendicular PQ is 1 unit length, as per Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse OQ will be square root 10. As the last step in marking square root 10 on the number line, we have to draw an arc with a center at O and radius OQ. The arc is drawn in clockwise direction, intersecting the number line at point R. We already know that the line segments OR and OQ are the radii of the same arc. Therefore, length OR is equal to length OQ is equal to square root 10. As point O is at 0, point R corresponds to square root 10. So we have completed marking square root 10 on the number line. In case if we want to mark negative square root 10 on the number line, in that case we have to draw the arc with the center at O and radius OQ in the anti-clockwise direction, intersecting the number line on the negative x-axis. Okay. If you have any doubts or comments, please mention in the comment section. Thank you.